As a first-generation Latina, my journey in this country educationally, but also just growing up in a family of undocumented parents, it's been definitely interesting. And I just love sharing with others of what that means for me in my life right now as a professional woman, as a Latina, and just a female going out into the world. And what really stands out to me is this. I can't remember a year up until I was 18 where my parents didn't mention, Mija, we came to this country with nothing. You know, your dad jumped the border with 50 bucks in his pocket and a toothbrush. And at the end of the day, they just wanted a better life for their daughters. I have 2 sisters, there's 3 of us. No men. My father was blessed with 3 daughters, right? Check it. As a machista culture, my father got 3 daughters. And they would always have these conversations with us that were so important about handle what you need to, always go to school, make sure that what the man brings to the table is not the only thing you eat. And I took this lesson and I ran with it. So I listened to my parents, you know, I went to college, I went to trade school, I saved money, I opened up a Roth IRA when I was 18. And I did all these wonderful things. And I'm having this experience that I can't even say is different because I know other women feel me out there. I know other Latinas are like, yes, girl, I hear you. It's the holidays. And this is what happens. Instead of the family members asking you, Mija, how are you doing? How's business? How's your friends? How's your personal life? They straight go to y el novio. And this is just a term that I crack up when I hear because it translates to like, and where's the boyfriend at? As if my worth is only determined on this one factor. And when are you gonna give your mama some babies? When are your parents gonna have some grandbabies? And I get this unconscious, subtle message from my mother of, you will only be complete as a person if you do this. And as much as I naturally want to do that within myself, I feel that it's something that's affecting the culture. Other Latinas that are professional women killing it in the game. But they still get this random question during the holidays. And it's just like, so where's your worth at if you can't find a man? And I just want to provide to women a safe space to share that, you know, in the workshops we're going to do, in the talks we're doing, in the discussions we have with each other, that you're not alone in this process. The pain is definitely mutual.